Wait, the mosquito keep coming. See your power more. That's what I ask you. Draw. Oh, never. Move a bit. Wow. Glare. Only one ability only. I thought still got don't know what shitty poison that time. Oh god. Easier, otherwise very hard.
Wait, my right hand easier to play.
Okay, if I'm lucky, I can one hit you now. If I'm not, I can't one hit. Oh.
No. Don't press so hard. Yeah, don't focus also.
Ninjutsu.
Finish it. Kaiser Crash. Ability activated.
I saw one die, two die, three die.
Fight. Set.
Almost X. Oh yo, that one won't come out right. Must be red color then come out right.
Which one?
Oh, later come out already I think.
Finish it. Won't finish the attack.
Red color,
Don't even need finishing attack.
Red color, I mean red color then we have finished.
One line.
You one line ah?
Need one line.
Guarantee one line then this will come out.
Yeah. You need to be one line, then only that thing come out.
KO. Player 1 wins. Round 2.
Father vs son.
Attack.
Father vs son.
Scorch. The Guardian Spirit gauge is full. Right. Set. Attack. It's a tie. Tiebreaker. It's another tie. Tiebreaker. Friendship secret technique. Awesome.
Wow, finish your attack.
Maybe.
Activated.
No, maybe it's control.
Nice focus.
Finish your attack.
Ability activated.
Unit.
KO. Here is your score for this time. You got experience. Nice fight. Save completed. Remove the ID card. Here is your score for this time. You got experience. You got bonus experience. Right. Nice fight. Save completed. Remove the ID card. Press the button to get a card. Here is a card. Don't forget to
Spider
take
leg.
it when you leave. If anybody's
No,
waiting
no,
to play,
not anymore.
be a good sport and give them a turn.